There are so many diverse needs for buyers today. And so I thought I would talk a little bit about the Home Ready, Home Possible program that's offered through Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. And then talk about just the generic 3% down conventional loan. It's pretty interesting. If you are a first-time home buyer, regardless of your income, you can qualify to put 3% down on a conventional loan. That's even lower than an FHA loan that requires 3.5% down. So I repeat, no matter what your credit score is, if you are a first-time home buyer, you have not owned any real estate in the past 3 years, you can option for 3% down conventional loans. What I really would like to talk about today is also the Home Ready, Home Possible programs. So let's say that you're moderate income. And what is moderate income? Well, if you look at your local area, you want to look at what the average median income is. You just can search it, average median income. And it's in the Metro Detroit area, it's about $102,000. Well, if you're at 80% of that, somewhere around what? $82,000, $84,000, then it is only qualifying income. So if you have base and overtime, and I can qualify you just on your base income and it's $82,000 or below, or if you have 2 people in the household, spouses, I can qualify just under one person's income and you make enough but not too much, then you can get qualified for this Home Ready program, which you don't have to be a first-time home buyer. You get to put 3% down, just like a person that's a first-time home buyer, or you are a first-time home buyer. The other advantages are, and these are pretty huge advantages that people don't realize, you get the best interest rate. So any adjustments are taken out. Adjustments for credit scores, adjustments down for loan to value because you're only putting 3% down. So you get the best interest rate, premium interest rate, better than a person with a 740 credit score putting 20% down, and then you get reduced PMI insurance factors. Private mortgage insurance is lower, probably by about 25%. So those are pretty awesome things. So in summary, if you qualify for the Home Ready, Home Possible program, that it means that your income is 80% of the average median income. Then you get a 3% down loan program, lower interest rates, the best interest rates that conventional has to offer, and reduced mortgage insurance. You do need to take a first-time home buyer class. It's free, it's through Framework. It takes about a half a day. You can do it in increments. And what else can I tell you about the program? It's just fantastic. One more thing I can tell you. If you have very low income and it's 50% of average median income or below, so that might be about $51,000 or under, then you can in addition get $2,500 towards down payment and closing costs. It's a grant, doesn't have to be repaid back. So that's something that we offer here at Mortgage One, the 3% down conventional loans, Home Ready, Home Possible, and then the $2,500 grant. So it's pretty awesome. So give me a call. I look forward to meeting with your client. I'll go through the whole smorgasbord of options and make sure that your client has the very best. We'll meet one-on-one for their meeting, either Zoom or face-to-face, and then we'll fold you into the call so that we have the complete picture of what your buyer can do and get them ready to have the very best experience. Thank you. This is Dawn Connors at Mortgage One, providing you fantastic mortgage solutions.